First stop in Izmir should be Konak Square, located in the downtown area. Here you'll find a beautiful clock tower, a symbol of the city. This is also an entryway to the old bazaar with connections to buses, a tramway system, and the Ubran ferries. The square is also a popular rest stop and a great for people watching. From Konak Square, head to the famous bazaar called Kemeralti. Here you can wander the market streets, venture into one of the small stands selling dry herbs and dry vegetables. Various traditional Turkish food and local teas, and colorful spices, clothes, or knickknacks. Alsanjak can be considered Izmir's downtown and has something for everyone, starting from the beginning of the port area. The neighborhood has variety of restaurants, bars, and hotels. We are in Love Street. Here you can see the young couple, big palms and bookstalls. And then I will go to the famous cable car of Izmir to see the city from above. Let's go. This mall is located in the west of Izmir and has another branch in Istanbul. You can find all luxury brands in this city. After Izmir Mall, we will go to the Izmir cable car to see the whole city of Izmir together. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.